Welcome back with HTML5. Today I am going to talk about the picture tag. Using this tag, we can insert picture in web page. So let's see how do you put it in HTML5. This is HTML5 document already I have written, and then this is the body tag. See, and after body tag you have to write the picture tag. Already I have written the codes. This is the picture tag, and using this tag we can insert picture. But picture tag is used to display the same or different images for different skin sizes. This is the picture tag. And within picture tag I am writing the source tag. This tag, source tag, is used as a child element with the picture tag to specify different version of the image for different viewport, that means in different screen size. And within source tag, media is the attribute. It specifies the screen size. I am using minimum width of the screen 500 pixel for the first picture. And then src set, this is the source of the image, and src set it is specifying the source of the image. The image name is c.jpg. This is the first image, and this image will display on the screen when the minimum screen width 500 or more than 500. Then the second image, at same as first image, source tag, and then media to specify minimum width 450 pixel, and image source src set, it is used for image source, and I am using the image name b.jpg. At same as third picture also, and for third picture minimum width 300 pixel, and src set the for image name, and image name is a.html, sorry, a.jpg. And then the img tag we have to use within picture tag. img tag is used as a child element of the picture tag, but when the source tag's picture will not display for any reason, that time img's image will display. Okay, so this is the img image. So let's see what will be the output. And we have to close the picture tag here, because this is the container element. So starting tag and ending tag we have to use, and source and image, these are empty element, so only we are writing starting element, starting tag, no need to write the ending tag. Okay, see, no ending tag is there. Then I am going to the output page. First you have to save the file, save, and this is our program. Okay, see properly, when I will set the screen size, that time different images will come to the screen. See, I'm increasing the screen size, and then this image appears on the screen. Okay, see, this is second image, third image, and This is the last one. Okay, so when we increase the image size, that time different picture will appear on the screen, and as well as when I decrease the screen size, different pictures will appear on the screen. So in this way we can write the picture tag and we can see the output. It's better to save all images in the folder in which folder you have saved your HTML document. Okay, it's better to specify the image name, image address. So today's video up to this, next video for the next topic of the HTML5.
Like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.